Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through Decatastrophizing Worksheets. Worrying is natural and happens to most people at some point. However, some clients are more inclined to think of worst-case scenarios, especially those who suffer from anxiety. This is called catastrophizing, or a cognitive distortion, where a person worries to the point that problems are exaggerated and that the worst-case scenario is considered to be the only possible outcome. This can be to an unhealthy degree, with these worksheets serving to prevent catastrophizing and help facilitate healthy outcomes and positive states of mind. These worksheets touch on worries, the likelihood of worries occurring, evidence-based rationalizations, worst-case possible scenarios, as well as action plans to overcome these challenges. They are highly flexible and can be used by anyone, but especially by mental health professionals such as counselors and therapists. How to use Decatastrophizing Worksheets. The first step is to download the PDFs from our website or app, which can be accessed for free. Clients will then need to fill in the name and date and answer each question with sufficient information. These worksheets contain private information and so should also be stored securely. Each question should be answered in a couple sentences at least, and here's an example of what a completed one looks like. To use the worksheets in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab on the left. There you can filter by notes and by community to view our entire note collection. If you'd like to find the worksheet faster, feel free to type in the keyword decatastrophizing. Click on the template by selecting Choose Template and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab where you can edit the information however you wish, clicking Publish once complete.